Good morning, everyone. I hope everything is doing good with you and you are all fine. As we said before, that we started the third trimester with each other, and we started our first lesson in this trimester. It was how do forces change motion, and we took a homework with each other. So today we are going to continue, and then we are going to correct the homework together. We are going to see a song together, and we are going to solve classworks also together. So be ready and pay attention with me and concentrate well. So as we started before, we said that our lesson is how do forces change motion. We said that how do things move? It moves by forces, yes. And we said that the forces or force, it's the power that helps us to move things. Force, it's the power. Force, it's the energy that makes us or help us to move things. Without the force, without this energy, without this power, we are not be able to move those things. Okay? We said that there are two types of forces, there are two types of powers, there are two types of energies. The first one is push, when you are pushing against you, when you are pushing in another side of you. This is called to push. This is force called push. This power, it's called push. You're pushing against your side. The other one, it is pull. What does mean by pull? Pull means that you are pulling, you are taking it to your side. You are pulling to yourself. So again, forces, we said that forces, they are the power, they are the energy that help us to move things. It's not the energy of ourselves, it's not the power of ourselves, no, don't be mixed up. The force, it's the power of the thing itself, the energy it's for the thing itself that helps us to move things. It's not our energy. For example, if I drink the juice, so this is the power for myself. This helps me to make a force, to make a power to move, for example, the box. But the force, it's the power that makes me move the box. It makes the box moved with me. So, and we said that there are two types of forces, the push and the pull. Push against you, push in another side, and pulling it's in your side. Okay, so push, for example, you're pushing the button. You are pushing the door. Pull means that you are pulling yourself, okay, when you are doing exercise as this one. You are pulling the plug from the socket. You are pulling it from the socket. But if I told you that you are putting the plug in the socket, so this will be push. But when you are taking it away from the socket, so you are pulling it. Take care, the thing can have two actions. For example, the door, you can push it and you can pull it. Push it means that you will close it. Pull it means that you will open it. This plug, if you put it in the socket, so means that you are pushing it. If you are taking it away from the socket, so you are pulling it. So take care that the thing can have the two actions, can have the two forces, push and pull. When you are making it against you, you are making an effort to do it, so you are pushing it. When you are making an effort to take it to your side, so you are pulling it. Don't be mixed up. Okay, also we said that this pizza, you are putting the slice to your side. This person, he is pulling the rope to his side also. So when you are pulling something, when you're taking something to your side, this is pulling. When you are making it away from your side, so you are pushing it. Don't be mixed up. Okay. And then we said that push and pull, they are opposite forces. Of course, I said it many times. Pushing this boy, he is pushing the box against himself. He's pushing it away from him. He's pushing it away from his side. So he is pushing it. This boy, he is pulling the box to himself. He's pulling the box to his side. So push and pull, they are opposite forces. This is against you and this is to your side. But here, for example, they are in the same side. They are making the box move in one side in this direction. But they are opposite to each other because this is against this boy and this is with this boy. So they are opposite to each other. Also, don't be mixed up. Again, I will say this part. Push and pull, they are opposite forces. What does it mean by this? Means that push, you are pushing it against you, away from you. But pull means that you are pulling it to your side. So they are opposite to each other. But for example, here in this example, those two boys, they are moving the box in one direction, in one side. So they are not opposite to each other, but they have opposite forces. Did you get it? I will say it for the last time. Push and pull, they are opposite forces. What does it mean by this? That you are pushing away from yourself and you are pulling against, sorry, to yourself. Push, you are pushing against your side, away from your side. Pulling, you are pulling it to your side. So both of them, they are opposite to each other. Away from your side to your side. So they are opposite to each other. But here in this example, the box itself, I mean its movement. I don't mean its force. I mean its movement. It will move to one side. It will move in one direction, which is this one, which is to the left side. Because this person or this boy is pushing the box to the left side, and this boy, he is pulling the box to the left side. So the forces, the push and pull, they are opposite, but the direction or the movement of the box, it is in the same direction. I don't mean this force. Okay, so take care of this. So we finished push and pull and their examples. We finished that they are opposite to each other. I want you to see this song together. We are going to see it together. Also, I will send you the link if you don't hear it well. Okay. I don't need you to study it. I just want the examples from it because it is well. So I'm sorry to interrupt you. Did you see that the thing, it has two actions. When you open the door, you are pulling it. When you are closing the door, you are pushing it. So take care that the thing can have the two actions, either push and pull. You must understand it well and then decide. If you are making it away from you, so it will be push. If you are taking it to your side, so it will be pull. Okay, so for the last time, take care for the thing. You are pushing it away from your side. You are pulling it to your side. And we said that push and pull, they are opposite forces because they are push away from yourself, pull it is to your side. They are opposite forces. But take care, the thing itself, for example, these two boys, they are pushing and pulling, so I can decide which direction the box will move. But in the last example, I decided that this box, it will move in one direction. Okay, so take care if I'm asking about the force or I'm asking about the direction. Okay, now we said that before. Also we took why do we study push and pull? Why push and pull, they are important? We said that the first thing, push and pull, they are important because they make things start moving. For example, if this cart, it was stopped, it was staying still, standing still in one place. So when I decide to start moving it, I must push it, okay? Or I must pull it. So push and pull, they make the things start moving. The second thing, we said that push and pull, they are important for us to study, or they are important in our lives because they make the things stop moving. For example, if I'm standing here and I'm throwing the ball to this boy, what? I decided that the ball will move, so I pushed it to this boy to move. But this boy decided that the ball must be stopped, so he catched it and he stopped the movement of this ball because he took it in his hands. Okay, so push and pull, they are important because they make things start moving. If I'm deciding to move something, so I'm pushing it or pulling it. The second thing, push and pull, they are important to make things stop moving. The third thing, we said that why push and pull, they are important to us because they change the shape of things. As we said, the Play-Doh, the slime, for example, the dough itself, if you want to make a pizza, how can you make the dough of the pizza? You are pushing it, you're pulling it from all of directions because you want to change its shape so as to make, for example, the pizza. If you want to make the pizza as a circle one, what are you gonna do? You're going to push it and pull it from all sides. The dough itself, you're going to push and pull from all sides because you want to change its shape. That's why you will make a pizza. So push and pull, it's important for us because we want to change the shape of things so as to be forced to be able to make anything we wanted from this thing. So push and pull, again, they are opposite forces. Push and pull, they are important for us because they start moving things, they stop moving things, and they change the shape of things. Now we are going to continue why push and pull, they are important for us. Push and pull, they change the direction of things. What does it mean by this? For example, this player and this one also, both of them, they are the same. Here they are having a ball here from this man and from this man. They want to hit the ball away from them in this direction to the left side. So what they will decide to do, they will decide to push it. Okay, so decide to push it with their hands. Okay, so they decided to change the direction of the ball. So if we want to change the direction of things, push and pull. For example, again, another example, if you are moving in the supermarket and you are moving the cart, for example, in the section of the grocers, you decided that you want to go to the cheese part. So what are you gonna do? You are going to make the cart in another direction so as to go to the other side. So push and pull, they are important for us to change the direction of the things. Again, push and pull, we took it. It starts moving thing, they stop moving thing, they change the shape of things, and they change the direction of things if you want to change the direction. The fifth thing, why push and pull, they are important because they make things slower. Why or how? For example, though this snail, it has a shell over it. So this shell, it's making a push, it's making a force, it's making a power on the snail so as to slow it. Also the turtle, it's having a shell over it. So the turtle, why the turtle is slow? Because the shell, it's pushing and making a force and making a power over the turtle, so it makes it slower. So push and pull, they make the thing slower. Also, remember that when you are moving the cart in the supermarket and you started to stop, you will stop in 1 second? No, you will start slowing down and then you will stop the cart. So push and pull, they make the thing slower. The last thing, why push and pull, they are important because they make the things faster. If you want to move the cart with a very fast direction or very fast speed, so you will move it very fast, so it makes things faster. If you want, for example, to move the car, not you, of course, your parents, if they want to move the car very fast, they will make it faster by pushing, okay, by pushing the car itself or the benzene button, okay. So again, we said that push and pull, I will revise with you. Push and pull, they are opposite forces. You are pushing against your direction, away from your direction. You are pulling to your direction, so they are opposite forces, but take care. If I told you what is the direction of the thing itself, what is the direction of this box, so you will tell me that it will move in one direction because they are pushing and pulling in one direction. And we said that why push and pull, they are important. The first thing, it makes the thing start moving. The second thing, it makes things stop moving. Third thing, it changes the shape of the things. Fourth thing, it changes the direction of things. The last thing, it makes things slower. And then the last thing, it makes things faster. So push and pull, they are important in 6 points. Don't forget them. And also every time I will be repeating it. Okay, now we will come to correct your homework. We said that you will use the pictures of push and pull in page 71 to cut and paste it in the right place. Either you will see the picture if it is push or pull. So we are going to correct it now. First of all, we said that this person here, he is pushing the button. Okay, so it's push. The second one, what is he doing in this car? This one, he is, yes, he is pushing it away from him. Also, this mother, she is pushing the baby cart away from her. Okay, so as to move. This fisherman is doing what? He is pulling the rope of the fish. This car, it is doing what? It is pulling the cart, which has boxes here. Okay, and then this teddy bear, what is it doing? Also, it is pulling the cart. Okay, this person, she is doing what? She is pushing it. She's pushing it away from her because she wants to move. This person, his car doesn't want to move, so he will decide to do what? Decides to push it away from him so as to move. And then this surgeon, what he decides to do, he is pulling the gloves to himself so as to wear it. And then this last one, this is the bird, it is pulling the worm to himself or to itself. Okay, so this is the homework we corrected together. Now we will come to our classwork. We are having here 6 examples. In each example, we are going to see if it is push and pull. The first one, opening the drink can. If you want to open this can, so you will push it or you will pull it against you, away from you, or to your side. Yes, it will be to your side, so you are pulling it. Excellent ones. The second one, you are turning the switch off. You are pressing on the switch to turn it off, pressing on it against you or to your side. Yes, it is against you, so you are pushing it. Excellent ones. Then the third thing, moving the cart in front of you. He's saying to you, in front of you, moving the cart in front of you. So you are pushing or pulling it away from your side or to your side. It is away from you, so it is pushing the cart or push the cart. Then this keyboard, also it's like the switch off. You are pressing on the keyboard buttons, so you are pushing them. Excellent. Then here you are opening the drawers. To your side, you will open it to your side or to the other side. Yes, it is to your side, so it will be pull. If I told you you are closing the drawer, so it will be against your side, so it will be push. Take care that the thing can have the two things, push and pull. Which direction you are making the thing, away from you or to your side. Away from you, it will be push. To your side, it will be pull. Then flying a car. so it will be pull. It's the kite itself, it is pulling you. He's saying about the kite itself. The kite itself will be pulling you. Why? Because the kite, you are flying it in the air. So the action of the air with the kite, so the kite will take you away. So it's pulling you. Then we will come to the last page of today, of our class for today. We are having also those pictures. You will say push and pull or twist. Of course, twist if you are spinning it, so we don't have to explain it. I'm sorry. Sorry again. So the first picture here, he is opening the tab. So he is twisting it or twist it. Excellent ones. Then this boy, he is making the ball away from him. So he is doing what? Push or pull or twist? Yes, he's pushing it. He's pushing the ball away from him. Then this person, he want to move the cart in front of him. And he is going with it to the same direction. So he is pushing it. So it is push. Then this example, the boy and the dog, it's the same as the flying kite. Here, when you are holding the dog, so this is called, you are pulling. The dog itself it's pulling the boy. The dog itself is pulling you. It's like the kite. Okay. Then this person is doing what he wants to move as this one. He wants to move the cart and move with it in the same direction. So he is pushing it. So it is push. Then this person, he wants to move the stone away from him. So it will be push. Then this person, he wants to make the stone to his side. He's taking it to his side. So it will be pull. Excellent ones. And the last one, of course, from its shape, it will be twist. Excellent ones. I hope that you understood well. I hope that when I revised with you the part from the last lesson, you understood it well. Each lesson we will revise from the beginning because I want to make sure that you understood everything and every part in the lesson, because this lesson, it is very important. So I want to make sure that you understand each part. So we will be able to revise each time from the beginning. So don't worry at all. We will revise again and many times so as to be able to catch everything. Thank you so much. I hope that you will study well.